Hello guys, welcome to TutorialsBuddy.com. My name is Jake, and today in this video we're gonna learn how to download Java for Windows or for any other operating system. As you can see on my screen, I've already opened Google on my browser. So to download Java, let's go ahead and type download JDK 8 and hit enter. Now from the Google results, I'm going to go ahead and click on the first link by oracle.com. Let's click on it, and this is the download page by Oracle. So let's scroll down. As you can see on the left, now these are the file description, and on the right you can see these are the links, download links. So if you want to download Java for Ubuntu or Linux, then you can go ahead and download this Linux 64 compressed archive. This is for 64-bit Linux or for Ubuntu, and this is the download link on the right. And if you want to download Java for Macintosh, then go for this Mac OS for 64-bit, and here is the download link. And if you want to download Java for Windows, then there are two options available. And okay, the first option is for Windows 32-bit, and the second option is for Windows 64-bit. So in this example, I'll be downloading Java for Windows 64-bit. So let's go ahead and click on the download link. So here I've been asked to accept the license agreement for Oracle Java. So let's go ahead and accept the license and click on the download button. So when you click on the download button, you'll be redirected to the Oracle login page, as you can see on my screen. So if you already have an Oracle account, then you can simply put your username here and password here, and then sign in, and then your download will start after signing in. So however, I'm gonna create a new account and then show you the download procedure step by step. So this is how the Oracle sign up page or form will look like. So the first thing that you'll have to provide is your email address, your password, and country, name, job title, work phone number, company name, address, city, zip or postal code. So let's fill them one by one. So I'm gonna give my email address here. Let me check my email address. Let me check one more time. It's not tutorial, it's test. Okay, type in your email in the email field and type your password make sure you remember your password so that you can log in anytime. Whenever you next time you have to when you have to download Java again, you will be needing your credential. So let's select country, and now let's type name, my job title, now here give your phone number, now here give your company name. Now if you don't work and if you are a student, then you can provide your school or your college name here. So I'm gonna give my company name here. Here I'm gonna give my company address, city in which I live in, and here is the postal code. Okay, this is the postal code. Okay, after you have filled all the fields, just go ahead and click on the create button and wait for it to process. Okay, okay, I've been redirected to this another page. Check your email, verify email address to use your account. Okay, now next we have to check our email and verify our account. So I'm gonna go here and log in into my Google account. Okay. Let me log into my Google account here. So let's check here in the inbox. There's one email from Oracle, and as you can see here, dear Jack, please verify your email address to complete your Oracle account. Okay, let's go ahead and click verify email address. Now let's wait for our account to get verified. Okay, success, your account is ready to use. Okay, let's continue. Now we already have an account, Oracle account, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna close this tab and I'm gonna go back to my Oracle login page and type here my email address. That is TutorialsBuddy. Type there your email address and your password here, and just click on the sign in button. Now wait for some time. Invalid username or password. Okay, let me try it. I think I forgot to put number on my email on my last try. Okay, make sure you fill in these credential correctly. So let's try it one more time, and let's wait for it. Okay, my login to Oracle account is successful, and here on the bottom you can see my Java. Here's our Java file. You can show in folder,